Get noticed in this 2010 Ford Taurus. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. With a reliable 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its 6-speed automatic transmission, premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system, and memory settings make for a more comfortable ride. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, side airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.